Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank account and actually smiling. No panic, no guesswork, just clarity. Sounds impossible? Well, not in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mindset Hub, the place where your financial growth gets the upgrade it truly deserves. I'm your host, Raul Sofa, and today's episode is for anyone who's ever thought, where does all my money go? If you've ever felt like your budget disappears faster than a paycheck on Friday, stick with me. Because today, we're diving deep into the best budgeting apps for beginners in 2025. We're not just listing apps. We're going to explore how these digital tools are reshaping money habits, giving beginners a serious edge, and helping people like you take control of their financial future. So grab your headphones, your coffee, or maybe your budgeting notebook, and let's dive in. Let's rewind for a second. 10 years ago, budgeting meant spreadsheets, sticky notes, or a half-forgotten notebook in the kitchen drawer. But now, your phone has the potential to be your full-time financial advisor. In 2025, budgeting isn't boring. It's automated, gamified, personalized, and yes, even fun. Apps today are leveraging AI, machine learning, and behavioral psychology to not only track your money, but to actually teach you how to manage it, like a mentor who never sleeps. Let me paint you a picture. You're at the grocery store, you scan your card, your app sends a gentle nudge. You've spent 85% of your grocery budget for the month. Or maybe you had a high-spend weekend. You open your app and get a message. You've overspent in entertainment. How about a no-spend challenge this week? This is the kind of support we didn't have before. And it's transforming how beginners get their financial footing. So now, let's break down the top budgeting apps of 2025, tailored for beginners, backed by data, and built for your financial success. Monarch Money has quickly become the royalty of modern budgeting. Why? Because it's built like a financial dashboard for your life. With simple visuals, goal-setting features, and real-time syncing with your accounts, it helps you not just budget, but build a full picture of your money. Beginner-friendly highlights. Set monthly limits by category. View all your accounts in one clean dashboard. AI-generated insights that explain where your money is going. Create shared budgets if you're managing money with a partner. A listener named Mia from Seattle emailed me last month. She said, "Monarch helped me build a budget for the first time in my life that I actually stick to. I can see everything clearly, and that changes everything." YNAB isn't just an app, it's a money mindset bootcamp. This tool doesn't just track your spending, it teaches you 4 powerful rules for managing money. 1. Give every dollar a job. 2. Embrace your true expenses. 3. Roll with the punches. 4. Age your money. What makes it powerful for beginners is the community, the workshops, and the support. YNAB helps you feel in control, not restricted. Now, I won't lie, it has a bit of a learning curve, but for those who are serious about changing old money habits, it's a game changer. Remember the cash envelope method, where you divide cash into labeled envelopes for groceries, gas, fun, etc.? Goodbudget brings that to your phone with a modern twist. It's easy to set up, doesn't require syncing bank accounts, and is perfect for people who want control without too much automation. It's great for couples too. You can share envelopes, track goals, and even plan for big-ticket items. Plus, it encourages intentional spending. Every time you spend from an envelope, you're making a choice. And that's where budgeting becomes behavioral transformation. Rocket Money's claim to fame? It finds ways to save you money automatically. This app helps you cancel unused subscriptions, track bills and negotiate lower rates, set up budgets and alerts in a snap. One listener, Marco from Houston, told me he saved over $500 in 2 months by using Rocket Money. All because the app cancelled 3 old subscriptions and negotiated his internet bill down. If you want budgeting with the added bonus of automation, Rocket Money delivers. Copilot is like having a finance coach that actually gets your life. It uses machine learning to analyze your spending and offers smart categorization, so you don't waste time labeling every coffee. Its clean interface, real-time updates, and customizable goals make it incredibly beginner-friendly. Plus, Copilot uses a little psychology. It motivates you with encouraging notifications and progress charts. Subtle, but powerful. All right, so how do you choose the right one? Here are a few guiding questions. 1. Do you want automation or manual control? Rocket Money automates. Goodbudget keeps it hands-on. 2. Do you want to learn budgeting philosophy or just track? YNAB teaches mindset. Monarch gives structure. 3. Are you budgeting alone or with a partner? Monarch and Goodbudget offer shared features. 4. Do you want saving features too? Rocket Money and Copilot give you those extras. And here's a key insight. The best budgeting app is the one you'll actually use. Start simple. Set one goal. Maybe it's tracking every dollar this week. Then build up from there. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom from worry. Freedom to dream. Freedom to say yes to the life you want. Let me drop a few more gems before we wrap. Tip 1. Set calendar reminders to check your budget weekly. Even 10 minutes on Sunday can realign your goals. Tip 2. Budget for joy too. Don't forget to allocate money for things that make you happy. This is what keeps the habit sustainable. Tip 3. Track your wins. Saved $100 on food this month? That's a win. Celebrate it. And remember, budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being present with your money. If you fall off one week, it's all good. Just pick it up again. So let's wrap this up with a simple truth. Your financial transformation doesn't start with a raise or a lucky break. It starts with awareness. And budgeting apps, they're not just digital tools. They're your accountability partners, your secret weapon, your compass when financial fog sets in. Pick one, start small, stay consistent. And hey, if this episode gave you clarity, consider sharing it with someone who's just starting out. Because money confidence, that's something we all deserve. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of financial wisdom right here on Money Mindset Hub. Until next time, I'm Raul Sofa, encouraging you to take charge of your money, one smart decision at a time.